Let me say this clearly. You don't lack English, you lack a system. Because if understanding English was enough, you would already be fluent by now. So, in this video, I am going to give you a step by step roadmap from day one so you can actually start speaking English fluently and confidently. You understand English, you can read English, you can even write English. But when it comes to speaking, you freeze, you hesitate, you overthink. And slowly it starts affecting your confidence in college, in meetings, and even in interviews. First, let me tell you, there is nothing wrong with you. You were just never taught how to speak. Fluency is not about grammar. Fluency is about thinking and expressing without fear. And today I'll show you exactly how to build that. So let's look into the step by step roadmap, starting from day one. So, step one, fix your mindset. Stop saying, my English is weak. Start saying, my English is improving every day. You don't need perfect English, you need usable English. So, always remember to speak even if it's broken. Confidence first, perfection later. Step 2. Start thinking in English. Start doing this from day 1 onwards. This is the biggest game changer. Instead of thinking, मुझे पानी पीना है और আমি জল খেতে চাই, think it is, I need to drink water. Do this for daily actions, observations, emotions. Your fluency begins the moment your thought shifts. Step 3. Input before output. Make it your daily habit. You cannot speak what you don't hear. Do this daily. At least watch English content for 10 to 15 minutes. Listen to how people naturally speak. Focus on the tone, sentence flow, real life phrases, not grammar, not vocabulary list. Step 4. Mirror practice. Start doing this from day 3. This is where confidence is built. Make it a daily exercise from day 3rd. Stand in front of a mirror, speak for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Topics may include your day, your plans, or your opinions. You'll feel awkward. That's okay. Confidence is built in uncomfortable moments. Step 5. Use the simple sentence formula. Don't try to speak complex English. Use this structure: subject plus verb plus object. For example, I completed my work. I'm learning English. Fluency grows from simplicity. Step 6. The repetition technique. Fluency is repetition, not intelligence. Pick 5 to 10 sentences daily. Speak them 10 to 20 times. Change small words. For example, I am going to office or I'm going to market. This builds automatic speaking ability. Step 7. Shadowing technique. Yes, it's advanced but very powerful. How it works? Play a video, pause, repeat exactly like the speaker. Focus on the accent, speed, expression. This is how you sound natural, not robotic. Step 8. Start speaking with people. You can start doing it from day 7. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. Start with friends, family, colleagues. Always remember to speak 5 minutes daily in English only. No switching back to Hindi, Bengali midway, or any vernacular languages. Step 9. Record yourself. You can do this weekly. Do this and record a 1-minute video and later on watch it. Observe the hesitation, the filler words that you have used like and the confidence. This is your real progress tracker. Step 10. Fix common mistakes gradually. Don't try to correct everything at once. Focus on tenses, basic only, common phrases, and clarity. Improvement is step by step, not overnight. For MBA students and professionals, this is not just a language skill. It impacts your interviews, presentations, meetings, and leadership presence. When you speak clearly, people assume you think clearly. Now, biggest mistakes that you need to avoid, like waiting to be perfect before speaking or translating every sentence as fear of judgment. This is something very common among each of us. So we have to understand that we will never fear what others will think of us and over focusing on grammar. Moving forward, I know and I understand it feels embarrassing sometimes. I know you feel judged, but remember, every fluent English speaker you see today was once hesitant too. The only difference, they started. If you follow the system for just 30 days, you will see a massive difference. Start today, not tomorrow. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MBA to Boardroom because we don't just teach skills here, we build confidence.